Our Earth is filled with wide variety of animals. We can find at least one living thing from deepest sea to the highest mountain. Scientists have discovered nearly 13 lakhs, which includes the bacteria that was hidden in our eye, to the blue whale, which weighed some tons of the weight. And imagination that this number is nearly 87 lakhs. But what is the thing that leading us to live and running in a regular way? What should be the height and how should he looks like, and the flower color and mango sweetness? This all decided by the one thing, that is DNA. Let us start our episode. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is nothing but it is a molecule that contains the genetic code of an organism. DNA was first founded by the Crick and Watson in 1954. It transformed the genetic information material from parent to the young ones. Every human life began in the same manner. Two single cells, one from mother and one from father, fuse together and form a single cell. Later it divides into two and again four. Nearly it divides into a 10 trillions. In this way, which cell want to become an eye and which cell want to become a leg, it is decided by the DNA. And what color want would be there, and their height and their IQ level and their fingers, their blood groups, all are decided by the DNA. DNA contains nearly 20 to 40,000 genes. DNA contains the structure of the body. DNA brings our ancestor data, and in each cell DNA is in a form of a thread-like structure, and if we enlarge that, it becomes nearly 2 meters in length. One time imagine the DNA in our body. If we enlarge that all, then it becomes nearly the distance between the Earth and Pluto as a trip up. And in humans, nearly 99.9% of the DNA is same, but due to the difference of 0.1%, there is a lot of changes in color, height, shape, etc. Did you know one thing? The human DNA matches with chimpanzee with 98%, and human DNA nearly 50% match with banana's DNA. During cell division, the same DNA is copied to the another cell, but due to some errors, this sequence will change, and due to some UV rays came from the sun and the chemicals, harmful chemicals and smoking, the DNA will damage. Due to these reasons, nearly 10 lakh times in a day our DNA will damage. But you no need to worry about it. This damaged DNA can be repaired by the self-repair system, but sometimes it may fail to repair the damaged DNA and it causes the cancer. Did you know that in 1990 America want to know the complete applications of the DNA? For this, it spent nearly 300 crores and it taken nearly 13 years time for total completion of this project. They spent nearly $3 billion. According to the Indian currency, it is 20,000 crores. Did you know that according to a survey, we may receive the effect from our ancestors of 14 generations? Due to this reason, some diseases may inherit it to their generations, and some children may be good at singing, dancing, etc. These qualities may be received from their ancestors. And did you know that according to a survey, in 1 gram of DNA structure, we can store 250 petabytes of data. According to a GB, it is 21 crores 50 lakhs of data. Now, scientists first they convert this data into a binary system as 010101, and again they convert this data into ATGC forms. Now the CDs, pen drives, hard disk, all the stored data can be stored in a pencil size of DNA. In futures, there may be some days when we can store the images, videos and other films in DNA. Now another thing, that is genome editing. Editing of DNA according to our wish and designing to our wish is called genome editing. This is also called as CRISPR. Some inherited diseases which came from their ancestors may remove by this process. Now some experiments are going on to increase the human life. Do you know that jellyfishes did not die? Now the scientists are trying to match the jellyfish DNA with humans DNA. If it is success, then it is a milestone. If you like my explanation, please subscribe my channel.